Okay, so on number 1, it says RC is an equilateral triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and mark what that means. So equilateral means all sides are congruent. So I want to mark that on my triangle. So if each of the sides are all the same, I really, in this case, only need like 2 of them. So we kind of have some extra information going on. So I know that this RT side, so 7x plus 18, is equal to ST over here, 10x minus 6. So I can write my equation like that. I could have also done like 7x plus 18 equal to this side, 12x minus 22. Or I could have done these two in the middle, set equal. So on the equilateral, you kind of have a lot of options. You may just want to pick the two that kind of look the simplest, maybe less negatives or things like that, right? So from here, I just solve these, and I want to get x by itself. Okay, so I have 3x, and I need to add the 6 since I subtracted the 7. All right, and now I have 24 divided by 3, x equals 8. So that's the important part there, but then they do want me to find the length of each side. Since they are all congruent, it doesn't matter which one I plug into. I can just pick. So I'm going to say RT is going to be 7x plus 18. So I'll do 7 parentheses 8 plus 18, which would be 74. So each side is 74. So that means here, here, and here. So if I did want like the perimeter from that point, I would total them up, but here they just want the side. All right, so let's move down here to 4. So a little bit different. It says WXY is an isosceles triangle. Well, isosceles means that 2 sides are congruent, and in this case, it's going to be this one and this one. Sometimes you just kind of have to eye that, and the vertex angle X, so that just means this is the vertex. We don't really need anything else with that. It's just telling you that's the vertex, so I know this is the base, which means the base is different than these, which are the legs. Okay. All right, so find the length of WY. So I'm really looking for this one here, but I can't use that in my equation. I gotta start off with what's congruent. So I can say the legs are congruent, so 6x minus 77 equals 3x plus 4. All right, subtract 3. Now I have 3x, add 77. So that gives me 3x equals 81. Divide that by 3, x equals 27. And then to get WY, I would plug 27 in for this x here. So 5 times 27 minus 31 gives me 104. All right, I hope this helps. So good luck.